All right, quick intro. It's day 25, 4:30 p.m.
Half day.
It's not even a half day. It's just gonna be a couple hours. It's cold outside again because, you know, we live in Ontario. And today we are doing, what are we doing? Solar panel?
Electricals.
Electricals.
Yeah, install the solar panel.
We're gonna at least install the solar panel, but we'll see what else we get done.
Yep, those ones. Yeah, that one's right. Mounting panels is difficult.
What are you doing to the panel?
You gotta put a little hole in here so we can get in the bar at the right place. We have something like that down there already. Yes.
Just punch the cylinder so when we drill the hole, we are on the side of the right spot. That's the cylinder punch.
And now you're gonna drill it?
I'm gonna drill it 2 steps. Okay. See, I put on the center hole and I punch so the drill bit doesn't move. Now we'll put the right size drill bit, which is a 1/4 inch,
Yeah.
because our bolts are 1/4 inch bolts.
Oh, so you just made the hole first.
Yes, one so I know to be on the right spot.
Ah.
And I have to be very careful not to break the solar.
Is that our hole?
Yeah.
That's our hole.
Okay. How the exact size of hole. So when I'm through the hole, I speed the drill bit, so it gives me clearance for the bolt. If I go too slow, the bolt will be too tight to go through the hole.
These are good tips to know.
There was 53 and a half or something. There was 53 and a half.
Well, where do you want me to line it up? This line? Like the one that's inside?
Yeah. 53 and a half to the front. Like this.
All right, I don't know if you can see those horseshoe shaped things, but we just put those on. They still need to be tightened, but they're basically attaching these white bars to the rack that we bought online. And our solar panel is on there. And over on this side, they're getting ready to wire it down into the van.
Okay, we're gonna hook up the battery for a test because that's very important that you test it and make sure that you're not putting everything away and it doesn't work. So right now we have this charge controller from Renogy. It's a 40 amp controller, which is more than what we're gonna need. And then we're gonna hook it onto this battery. And we're gonna leave it overnight. And it should just be plug and play. It's got these screws that you put into it. And yeah, everything should be plug and play. Once we know that this is working, everything else comes out of the battery on these terminals. And it goes into our fuse box, it goes into our inverter, lights, and then we have power. But the most important thing is that we can hook it up to this thing. So that's what we're doing.
Well guys, that was pretty much all we planned to do today, although I think my dad just got really excited because we might be able to use some old drawers that my mom had to make a box for that. I don't know if we're gonna do that today though. We might just call it a day. It's past 7 o'clock, so one step closer.